love at first zoom possible? Hey guys! Today we are learning dating vocabulary.
And announcing the winner of our Christmas reading challenge. So stay tuned!
I'm so happy that Robert from Robert Teaches English is taking part in this video. If you haven't checked his channel yet, go and check him out. He is a professional English teacher who makes learning so fun. I'll leave the link to his channel here and below.
Robert Teaches English.
If you haven't checked his channel yet, do it!
Ever had an awkward first date?
Yes.
Beverly, there is this guy, Bob, that I really think you would hit it off with.
I don't want to be hit.
To hit it off with someone is a phrasal verb that is used in informal conversations. It means to get along well or to like each other right from the moment you meet.
So he won't hit me?
No, I hope. Repeat after me. Hit it off. Hit it off.
Hit it off. Hit it off.
Good.
How do I use it in a sentence?
Here are some examples. We had similar ideas about the show and the two of us hit it off right away. I heard that Abigail and Jeff met yesterday. Did they get along?
Yes, they really hit it off.
Great. Give me your examples.
I thought Janet would hit it off with Charlie. In the end, they just didn't hit it off.
Does this phrase have a positive or negative meaning?
Positive, of course.
Good. Do two people like each other after dating a while?
No, it's right from the beginning.
Okay.
You think I'd hit it off with this guy that you know, Bob? I don't know if that's what I want.
How come?
Remember my dating experience last Halloween?
No.
Check it out here.
Okay, but before you say no, let me tell you about this guy. He is totally your type, and I'd love to fix you up.
To fix me. I am not broken.
To fix up has several meanings. The first one is, as you said, to repair, to arrange, or to settle something. For example, I bet this house would look really nice if you just fixed it up a bit.
Yes.
The second notion is to arrange a date for two people. For example, oh, I've been trying to fix Jonathan and Grace up for years. I think they'd be great together. Where does a noun or pronoun go? Them, Jane, you, etc.
Between fix and up?
Right you are. Does this phrase mean to break something?
No, it's either to repair or to find a suitable romantic partner for someone.
Right. You're doing a great job, Beverly.
I'll give you an example so you understand. I asked my best friend to fix me up with someone.
Perfect. So, what do you think if I fix you up with this guy? He's tough, hardworking, has a big build. Tanned, stylish, with a gorgeous smile.
Is he even real?
Yep. You'll get to know each other. You'll fall for him. You'll see.
Why should I fall?
Fall for someone or something is an informal phrasal verb. It means to like a place, a person, or something as soon as you see it.
Continue.
It's like a sudden or irritational liking for a person or thing. Let me give you an example. I had fallen for this joke in the book.
The moment I met my boyfriend, I fell for him completely.
The synonyms are fall in love with, be swept off your feet by, desire, fancy, lose your head over, long for.
Okay.
Is it a formal phrasal verb?
No.
Does it mean to dislike someone or something?
No. You become strongly attracted to someone and start to love that person.
Awesome!
We would immediately fall for each other, start dating.
It would be a match made in heaven.
In heaven? He would kill me. You also think it's dangerous?
A match made in heaven means that two people are perfectly suited to each other, a very successful combination of two people or things. Here is an example. Everyone thought that they were a match made in heaven.
I'll invite him over. Then he'll confess that he's got a girlfriend. We'll be dating on and off.
Are you afraid that he would start ghosting?
A ghost?
Ghosts are people who disappear from your life without notice.
Really?
Ghosting happens when someone whom you have been actively communicating with suddenly vanishes, literally like a ghost.
No return texts, no calls, nothing. With absolutely no explanation. He'll fall for someone else. They'll hit it off with her. It would be a match made in heaven.
Maybe he would leave his girlfriend and you would get back together.
You think so? Oh, all right, I'll give it a try. Looking for a LTR. What's LTR?
Well, it's actually quite simple. It means a long-term relationship.
Okay. I like him. I like your photo. Let's meet up IRL. IRL. So many abbreviations. LTR, IRL. It's a totally different language.
IRL is an acronym for in real life. This is used not only in online dating, but also in social media. When someone mentions IRL, they simply mean that they are ready to meet you in person, face to face.
As in, you are very intriguing. Hope to meet you. IRL. HWTMMIRL.
What?
He wants to meet me in real life.
Ah, okay. You probably can meet on Skype or Zoom first to make sure he is what you need.
That's a fantastic idea. I have a crush on you. I like you. You are cute.
Mm-hmm.
I could just look at him like this. I need a look that says, I'm trying, but not very hard.
Okay.
Show off your good angles. Is this my good angle?
Pretty woman walking down.
Definitely.
Hello? What? Hello? Your microphone. Turn on your microphone. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Hi.
Hi. What do you do for a living?
Oh, me? Well, I currently am not employed per se, but I am working as an independent journalist. For myself, but I'm not making any money just yet doing that.
What's fondest memory of elementary school?
Well, there was a boy in my class named Philip, and he was a very naughty boy. And I remember he used to say curse words, and I thought that was very bad. But one day, another boy, I can't remember his name, he punched me in the stomach, and I was in a lot of pain, and I was crying. And then Philip, the naughty boy, came and he held me, and he said, Bob, you should say a curse word. And I did, and it felt very good. Not that I'm saying we should be saying curse words, but that was a very fond memory.
What? If you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
If I could eat one thing for the rest of my life, it would be tater tots, because I like that potato is turned into tater. I think that's very clever, and I also like that it is an alliteration, tater tots. I like the way it sounds, and they're also very crispy and delicious.
If you won the lottery tomorrow, what's the first thing you would buy?
Wow, that's quite a question. Well, if I won the lottery, well, I guess the first thing I would do is I would buy another cow. And that's because I used to have a cow when I was a boy, but it was actually an imaginary cow, and I could not see it. I could not milk it. So I think the first thing I would do is buy a cow that I could see and that I could milk, and then I would milk that cow. I would make cheese with the cow's milk and other dairy products.
What?
You look so pretty. Do you have any other questions in your notebook?
No.
Ooh, do you want me to give you a guided tour of my apartment?
I sure do.
Okay, let me grab this here. Oh, all right. So as you can see, this is my wall, and I do have some owls on my wall because they're very wise, and I feel like they help keep me intelligent. And I also have a light fixture here. Oh, there it is. It turns on. It's real, as you can see. And this is a door. The knob is here, and it's actually an older knob. I live in an older apartment. And then there's also a little beast down here. Oh, there's my cat. Say hello. She's cleaning herself, obviously. She's a very clean beast, so don't be afraid of her. And what else? Oh, this is a microphone because I am a very talented recording artist. And this is Yoda. Yoda lives in my apartment because he is a Jedi Master, and he teaches me the ways of the Force. So what else? This is a table, and I do have some decorative fall gourds on my table, and the sofa. If you look out the window here, you can see well. This is the outside of my apartment, and it was snowing earlier, which is that's why I'm actually wearing my pajamas here, because it was a cold and snowy day. There's my relative Robert and his wife. He's my relative, and I like to keep his picture here in my apartment. What else? Oh, the kitchen. Yeah, here's the kitchen. It's there's a stove. Do you like to cook? Yeah, I like to cook tater tots here on my stove, and this is also a sink, and I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to wash my dishes like the olden times. Well, I mean, not that old. I do have soap, and the water is hot. I've also got some organic quick oats. These are very healthy, I hear, and the refrigerator, and this is the bathroom. But we probably shouldn't spend too much time in the bathroom. Sorry, I'm feeling a little bit nervous after going in the bathroom. I usually don't bring girls in the bathroom with me. And over here, this is a curtain that leads to my sleeping quarters, but we're not going to go in there because it's actually a bit dirty. But that's mostly my apartment. I guess one last thing is my little keyboard here, because I am, again, a very talented recording artist. But I hope you enjoyed the tour of my apartment. Yeah, maybe I'll see you here sometime. Are we gonna... sorry. How are you?
How did it go?
I just want to be with him all the time. We've got another date tomorrow.
I'm so happy for you. Tell me in the comments your relationship stories. Have you ever been set up? Have you ever been the third wheel? I've been Chushilka, and you've been awesome. Take care of yourself.
Wait, the winner!
Oh yes, totally forgot. Would you like to announce the winner, Beverly?
The winner of our Christmas reading challenge, the winner is Nicole E. from Argentina. Bravo, Nicole!
Nicole could choose any book we've been reading this December. She chose Hercule Poirot's Christmas by Agatha Christie.
A great choice, by the way. Take care and see you in the next video.